Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by choosing a focus subject and immediately collecting core material. Once done, skim 3-5 reliable accounts and mark contradictions. This gives you the spine of the episode. Make sure to extract 3 striking facts to use as hook points and draft a 1-paragraph thesis that explains why this topic matters. You should already have timestamps for the story beats. This moves you from vague idea to a concrete plan you can film against. You now turn facts into a watchable sequence by scripting scenes with clear transitions and cause and effect explanations. Once done, pair every scene with a single, strong visual so viewers have something to focus on. Make sure visuals illustrate the argument, not just decorate it. Vary sentence length in narration to keep pacing alive, and annotate the storyboard with exact timings so edits are predictable. This middle stage is where depth and clarity are built into the final edit. You finish by recording a clean voiceover, do a pace take, and then an expressive pass to capture emphasis. Once done, edit tightly, trim silence, align visuals to narration, and use jump cuts to maintain momentum. Make sure to color correct images and normalize audio so the episode sounds consistent. If playback looks off, troubleshoot by checking sample rate, codec, and timeline gaps. Re-render only the problem segment to save time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.